So you're going out for the day and you need to bring some essentials along with you. You don't have enough stuff to fill up a backpack, and a tote bag is going to be too big as well. A sling's going to do the trick, but you're looking for a little more style than your typical fanny pack. Well, I've got the perfect bag for you. Sacoche, sleek sling, slim day bag, European carry-all for all my Seinfeld fans, whatever you may call it, the A4U crossbody sling from Pioneer Carry is unequivocally stylish, modern, and smart. And it's finally getting warm here in Chicago, so we're off to the Botanic Gardens for the Orchid Show today, which is the perfect opportunity to test this bag out in a real-world setting. But before we begin, Pioneer Carry is a San Francisco-based travel brand making limited edition, durable, stylish, and technical travel gear. And they are also one of my favorite brands of the moment. If you want to support this awesome brand while also supporting this channel, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description. The A4U crossbody sling comes in around 29 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters with a total capacity of 2.5 liters, and it weighs just 8 ounces. It's made with 840D baby ballistic nylon on the outside and 10XD ripstop nylon on the inside, so it's a very durable bag. It also features super chunky YKK Vislon zippers, as well as metal hardware. It comes in 2 different colorways, the blue crush you see here, as well as a black version. The A4U crossbody sling will run you $134 US. So the first thing you're going to notice about the design of this sling is how well it fits into Pioneer Carry's bag lineup. The front pockets are instantly recognizable because those are going to be the same ones that you're going to find on the sides of their Panda backpack. I really like the subtle branding that Pioneer uses across their lineup, and this blue stitching on blue fabric looks really nice here. The sling also features these super chunky zippers, which are really unique compared to other bags on the market. The back features a small handle as well as an adjustable strap that is sewn onto the bag. The interior lining of this bag has some really cool looking blue and white window pane plaid print, and the right front pocket features a key leash. And these 2 front pockets are going to be perfect for things like point and shoot cameras, handheld video game devices, small notebooks, things like that. They are a little too small for cell phones though, so just be aware of that. So moving to the main pocket, you're going to find a large open space in here, as well as a hanging side panel that features a padded zipper pocket, along with a padded sleeve that's going to fit a Kindle or even an iPad mini. So now let's reverse pack this thing by checking out what I brought along with me for a day out at the Botanic Gardens. So what do you think of the A4U sling from Pioneer? I gotta say, I love this thing. The design is great, and I'm really into this flat profile of the bag. But I want to know what you think, so please be sure to leave a comment below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Lastly, here's what's on my turntable this week.